Tini IPFT MCC Conference. Member of Central Committee ni conference online. Sal ni bagay. Tini 26 and 27 May. Tini MCC Conference jeng takong Sakha. Obo jeng 6 mas por. Tini MC Conference ongo. Tini MC Conference tini belai khel tini guruttopurno kok salainai. Tini party ni isengoro kaitam agenda narakha. Ek number agenda hangkai present political situation. Tau present political situation untung mani. Aw in details in discussion khainai. Sengjot to tini 32 division borok khainai. Khaitong borok. Tini 32 division no dozen place jeng select khaika. Borok member of Central Committee borok attend khainai. Sei doto division report jeng khanai. Tini present situation, political situation, out this in Salainai. Tini ek number agenda. Dua number agenda hangkai tini khainai ADC, BC, Village Committee ni election ongui mano, vacant post komo tongu tini, out this in Salainai. Third number hangkai tini khainai ek 2 mas bisingono. Tini state conference in Dakonai. Tini already time expiring hangka. Tini state conference kaya nangutseng. Election bagi sing bisa pisau roka. Awan tini main agenda tini sing salainai. Mani bagi sing jottonono tini all tiprani tini subdivision level committee. Boro Tamo phaijak. 2 din bagi sing kok salainai. Tini detail tini party ni strategy, tini party ni action plan awan sing salainai. Detail salai tini agam dirtam khlainai khlaiasen awan sing tini sidanto nanai.
Laithanai Lok Sabha election vote ni je marima mani abo na tikam
abo tibin sai nai tini tanai Lok Sabha election tini performance abo tibin sai nai abo tini nukha tini expectation jeng onglia abo tibin detail salai nai bo jaga sing lacking tongkha abo jeng election review automatic abo tibin salai jaga. And 27 May we have convened the MCC conference. As you know, our MCC conference was convened every 6 months. Every 6 months we used to call the MCC conference. This is our part of our routine meeting. So all 32 divisions all over the state, the 10th member from each division, which we have selected member of Central Committee, which is called MCC member. From each division, 10th delegate will be participate in our conference. And in that conference, we have talk out the agenda. Most important, there are 3 agenda we have already talk out. One agenda is present political situation. We'll discuss in detail. We'll take the report from all the division level. Division President Secretary also attended this meeting. So we have 32 at present, 32 divisional committee all over the state. They will participate in the discussion. And second agenda we have, we'll discuss forthcoming ADC by-election, which is going to help maybe next month, next after 2 months, most probably in July. There are by-election of BC, Village Committee. That will be discussed. And also third agenda we have taken up the forthcoming state conference. Our state conference already due. We have already due time. Due to election, we have deferred a date. Therefore, maybe most probably next month or next after 2 months, the state conference will be held. In this regard, also we'll discuss when to held, how to held, where to held. This thing will be discussed in the conference. So I believe that this is the right time that we have convened a meeting. Also we'll take the stock of the situation in the state and recent election, parliamentary election also will be discussed. Our performance, our activities, which we have got the result, which is unexpected. There are maybe some drawback. So in detail, we'll get a report from all our grassroots leaders, different level. We'll get report from them. Therefore, today conference is very important, and also state by election of district council admissible is also going to be discussed. So I think it is very important, and also we'll take the stock of the situation. Our Tripura state also the post-poll violence also going on. With this regard also we have to discuss how to tackle the situation. Then IPFT, as you know, we have a recognized party. We have a state recognized party. We have 8 MLAs and 2 ministers. We have allied government in the state, BJP IPFT government. That also will be discussed. Therefore, I think today's conference is very important, and people are looking forward our meeting. Then in this conference also we'll take the decision, so-called the plan, action plan will be taken up in this conference. Therefore, I think it is very necessary to inform the media as well as the people of the state that IPFT is a regional party and recognized party, and IPFT is the only party in Tripura who is working for the state, for the people, especially for the indigenous people. As you know, our demand is only one demand. Since existence of IPFT, we have one agenda of demand that is called the creation of statehood based on schedule area of Tripura. So this is only one demand. So we highlight this issue also, and people will realize that our IPFT working in the field, working in the grassroots level, and somehow this time we have so many drawbacks. There are a lot of some problem even within our party. That also will be discussed in detail. So I thank all the people who participate in this conference.